So I'm working on this Hermle grandfather clock movement or long clock movement. And I want to adjust the hourly hammers. They're touching the chime rods all the time. And so it's making for sort of a dampened response. And so you can see each of the hammers has a little set screw. And you also bend these little wires to get the proper engagement. And so what I'm doing, I'm gonna let it chime once, and then I can push. So this one's working properly. The other three are remaining in contact. And so what I want to do is just pull that just slightly back. I'm just bending the wires one at a time. And you can begin to hear the sound come out a little better. I believe just this first one here needs a little tweak. And so after you drop the hammers on the chime rod, you can touch them individually and you'll feel them vibrate as you push them in. If you don't feel them vibrate, then you know it's dampening the rod. And you can also hear it, when you push it, you can hear it make contact. So now you'll notice the chime, the length of the ring is much longer now. So that's all there is to that adjustment of the hourly rods. There's another set of 8 hammers on the other side for the quarter hour chime, and that one probably needs adjustment too. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with your projects.